How is your aim this bad?
Who dares into my lair?
Come on, Snappers. Do that for the real enemies. All right, let's get... Kid?
Who dares into my lair?
No.
Oh, then win!
Come on, man.
Have you been here this whole time?
Yeah, basically. I figure if I can't find you, I might as well train the, arch nemesis over here. Whoa! Nice shot, by the way.
Thank you.
A floaty.
Wait, you mean they followed you?
Yeah, and it gets worse. They found...
What?
Snappers! Flappers the super dolphin has arrived!
Who dares into my lair?
It's me, Flappers, the super dolphin.
Huh?
Kit and Gobbles? Mr. Paper was right! You were working with Snappers all along!
I'm sorry, Flappers. I know it sounds weird, but we're trying to help.
Mr. Paper!
Yes, it is I, Mr. Paper. Anyway, don't listen to these traitors. Just follow the plan and take out Snappers.
We've seen everything you've done to train Snappers, Farcade. There's no way Flappers will lose.
Is that Mrs. Paper?
No!
I won't let you do this, Syntax scum!
Deja vu! The backpack! You didn't tell me the backpack was the one training Snappers!
He's a backpack?
You're damn right I am.
Get Snappers!
Right! I've waited 20 years to rip you apart!
Flappers, no!
Who dares into my lair?
This is it, Snappers!
I did it! I beat Snappers! Hooray for Flappers!
Good job, idiot! Enjoy dying, dickheads!
Wait! Mr. and Mrs. Paper! What's happening? Did I win?
That's the problem, you stupid swolefin!